This next story is kind of a bummer though.
How dare? What the hell? Amazon accuses stealing tips from delivery drivers. What the hell are you doing on this show, Will?
I don't know.
Been more than a year since federal regulators ordered Amazon to pay back nearly $62 million in drivers' tips allegedly skimmed over the years. What? How were people even tipping in the past? Cash?
Maybe cash.
Consumers need to know where their tips are going. The suit about providing workers the tips they are owed and telling consumers the truth. Oh, the drivers are taking them to court. Federal Trade Commission in February 2021 required Amazon to pay $61.7 million to drivers deprived of tips from customers between 2016 and 2019. According to the complaint, Amazon Flex launched in 2015 in order to let ordinary people use their own vehicles to deliver packages on behalf of Amazon. The company claimed drivers could make $18 to $25 an hour and earn tips for certain deliveries. They also said they would pass 100% of tips you earn on to the drivers, pass to the courier. Soon after it was launched, however, the company started skimming drivers' tips, FTC claims. In 2016, the company secretly switched to a variable pay system in which drivers' earnings could fluctuate based on an internal algorithm, regulators allege. Under the system, the government said Amazon could advertise a payment of $18 to $24 for a particular delivery, but if a customer tipped $6, Amazon would pay the driver only $12 for a total payment of $18. This is like Uber Eats, and they make it so complicated and come up with some equation.
And as a customer, you feel scammed reading this because, like, you want to directly pay the driver.
You're not sure was a tip, was not a tip.
Yeah.
I mean, that's pretty ugly stuff. You want this stuff to just be straight up. Well, anyway, accountability. I guess the FTC's involved. People are looking into it. But I mean, yeah, it's shady stuff. I don't know. It's obviously it's alleged right now. I don't know. There was some sort of a settlement, right? Amazon did not admit wrongdoing as part of the 2021 settlement. So there's a settlement. I guess people are going to get paid back, but you wish it didn't have to go that way in the first place. Yeah. It's very confusing with the tip stuff. A tip should be a tip. A tip is a tip. A tip goes to the person that the tip is intended for. And then now this makes me skeptical of all my tips. I do the tips on the delivery service. Who's getting the tip?
Or even real life.
In
like
restaurants. In the restaurant, you tap, you get a couple options for gratuity, and then you're like, wait a sec, are you getting that? Who's getting that?
Yeah. Like all the money goes into a pool or something, or how does that work?
Sometimes you ask. Maybe the best thing to do is ask. Yeah. You just ask your server, say, hey, are you getting this? Maybe it's the best way to do it. I don't know.